Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italian cuisine with a classic favorite, spaghetti alla bolognese. This hearty and flavorful dish, hailing from Bologna, is all about rich, slow-cooked meat sauce paired perfectly with al dente spaghetti. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or simply treating yourself, this recipe promises a delightful experience with every bite. So, let's get started and bring a taste of Italy to your table. Preparation time, 15 minutes. Cooking time, 1.5–2 hours. Here is the list of ingredients needed to cook this recipe. Steps of cooking. Heat the oil in a heavy-based frying pan and soften the onion, carrot, and celery. Add the garlic and cook for a minute more. Add the tomato puree, crumble in the stock cube, and add the oregano and tomatoes with their juice, breaking them down with the back of a spoon. Ten minutes before the sauce is finished, cook the spaghetti in salted boiling water until al dente. Drain, then stir in the sauce. Serve topped with basil and parmesan. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!